Imagine holding the entire world in your hand. With Google Maps, this isn't science fiction, it's reality. This powerful tool uses advanced technology to help us navigate our planet effortlessly. Whether you're driving, walking, or exploring new places, Google Maps is your ultimate guide. It's amazing how easily we can find any location with just a few taps on our phones. At the heart of Google Maps lies GPS, or Global Positioning System, a marvel of modern technology that has revolutionized the way we navigate our world. Imagine a network of satellites orbiting Earth, constantly sending signals, like a celestial dance of data. Your phone receives these signals, like a cosmic game of catch, interpreting them to understand its position. By calculating the time it takes for these signals to reach your device, Google Maps can pinpoint your exact location on the map with remarkable accuracy. It's like having a personal guide in your pocket, always ready to show you the way, no matter where you are. This technology is not just limited to finding your location. It powers a multitude of location-based services. It also allows you to track your movements in real time, making it incredibly useful for navigation, whether you're walking, driving, or cycling. Imagine driving to a new restaurant and seeing your car icon move along the digital streets, guiding you turn by turn. It feels futuristic and incredibly convenient, transforming the way we explore and interact with our surroundings. Have you ever zoomed in on a map and seen the rooftops of houses, noticing the intricate details of each building and the layout of the neighborhood? Or perhaps you've marveled at the contours of mountains, tracing the ridges and valleys from a bird's-eye view. That's the magic of satellite imagery, bringing the world into focus with stunning clarity. High-resolution images of Earth, captured by satellites orbiting our planet, are seamlessly integrated into Google Maps, creating a comprehensive digital representation of our world. This combination of maps and actual images gives us a realistic view of the world around us, blending the precision of cartography with the vividness of photography. This feature is incredibly useful for exploring new places, allowing you to virtually visit destinations before setting foot there. Want to see what that park looks like before you visit? You can check out the layout, the greenery, and even the walking paths. Zoom in on Google Maps and get a glimpse from above, offering a perspective that traditional maps simply can't provide. It's like taking a virtual tour before experiencing it in person, giving you a sense of familiarity and excitement for your upcoming adventure. Section 4. The Pulse of the City. Real-time updates. Google Maps isn't just about static images and locations. It's a living, breathing representation of our world. It constantly evolves, reflecting the ever-changing dynamics of our environment. The app provides real-time updates on traffic conditions, accidents, and even road closures. This means you are always in the know, no matter where you are. This dynamic information helps us make informed decisions about our routes, saving us time and frustration. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend getaway, Google Maps has your back. Imagine you're on your way to an important meeting and encounter an unexpected traffic jam. The stress and anxiety can be overwhelming. Google Maps will notify you and suggest alternative routes, ensuring you arrive at your destination on time. It's like having a guardian angel watching over your journey. It's like having a personal assistant predicting traffic patterns and guiding you smoothly through the city. With Google Maps, you can navigate with confidence, knowing that you have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips.